Your rims are rotting, and you don't even know it. Right now, sitting in your driveway or parked at work, your wheels are quietly collecting road salt, brake dust, and chemical residue that is eating through your finish one invisible layer at a time. And the worst part is that you are probably reaching for the wrong products to fix it, spending $20, $30, even $50 on wheel cleaners that are accelerating the damage while you think you are solving it. This video exposes the single $2 DIY liquid that professional detailers have been quietly using for years to keep rims looking factory, fresh for life. And it will completely change how you think about wheel care forever. But before we get there, you need to hear every entry in this countdown, because the last one we reveal is the trap that has cost real car owners thousands of dollars in rim replacements, resale value losses, and insurance headaches they never saw coming. Leave before number 1, and you will walk straight into the most expensive wheel mistake of your life. Starting at number 7. You need to understand what is actually happening to your rims, at the chemical level, every single time you drive, and why ignorance here costs you real money. The average American driver spends between $80 and $120 per year on wheel cleaning products, according to Consumer Reports' automotive care surveys. And the majority of that spending is going toward products that are actively shortening the life of their finish. Brake dust is not just dirt. It is a mixture of iron particles, carbon fibers, and adhesive residue that bonds to your wheel surface at temperatures exceeding 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and once it bonds it begins a corrosion cycle that your standard spray and rinse cleaner cannot fully interrupt. NetCise complaint databases show a consistent pattern of owners reporting premature wheel finish failure on 2018 through 2022 model year vehicles across brands like Honda, Toyota, and Ford, with thousands of reviews on platforms like CarGurus and Edmunds describing peeling clear coat and pitting that started within the first 2 years of ownership. The repair bill to refinish a single alloy wheel professionally runs between $150 and $300 per wheel at most body shops, meaning all 4 corners could cost you over $1,000 before you factor in mounting and balancing fees. You are essentially funding a problem you could have prevented for $2. Ignoring your rim chemistry is not laziness, it is an expensive subscription to regret. Number 6 is the rinse step, and the nightmare hiding inside it, that almost every car owner gets completely wrong without realizing the damage they are doing. Most people think rinsing their wheels with a garden hose after a drive is good enough, but if you are rinsing hot wheels, you are literally thermally shocking your finish into an early grave. Alloy wheels expand during driving and when you hit them with cold water immediately after stopping. The rapid contraction creates micro-fractures in the clear coat that are invisible to the naked eye, but act as entry points for moisture, salt, and brake dust to penetrate beneath the surface. Consumer Reports flagged this exact pattern in their 2021 wheel care study, noting that thermal shock is one of the leading causes of premature alloy wheel degradation in climates with cold winters. Owners of 2019 and 2020 Chevrolet Equinox and GMC Terrain models have filed hundreds of complaints noting bubbling and flaking finishes despite regular cleaning habits, with many only discovering the hot rinse connection after the damage was irreversible. A refinishing job across all 4 wheels on these platforms averages $800 to $1,200 at dealership body shops. You are paying over $1,000 for a 30-second mistake you make every single time you wash your car. Let your wheels cool for at least 20 minutes before any water touches them, and you have just saved yourself a financial disaster hiding behind good intentions. Number 5 is where the trap gets personal, because this is the entry where your wheel cleaner brand is quietly betraying you while you pay it to protect you. Acid-based wheel cleaners are everywhere, they are in every auto parts store, they are marketed aggressively, and they are destroying your rims faster than road salt ever could. Products containing hydrofluoric or phosphoric acid compounds strip brake dust effectively on the first application, which feels like a win, but they also micro-etch your clear coat and accelerate oxidation on bare aluminum and chrome surfaces with every single use. NetCise records show over 4,000 consumer complaints across 2017 through 2021 model years citing wheel finish failures that owners directly tied to popular spray on wheel cleaners, with brands sold at major retailers repeatedly named in online forum threads across platforms like Reddit's RZ Auto Detailing and the Car Talk community. The gamble you take every time you use an acid-based cleaner is that you might get a year of clean wheels before the finish begins to fail, and then you are looking at full replacement costs averaging $200 to $400 per wheel on most OEM alloy fitments. 4 wheels, worst case, puts you at $1,600 in losses from a product you were paying $12 to $18 per bottle to destroy your investment with. Your wheel cleaner might be the most expensive relationship you are in right now. Number 4 is the pH-neutral dish soap revelation. And this is where things shift from disaster to opportunity because you already own the solution. Standard pH-neutral dish soap. The kind sitting at your kitchen sink right now that costs $2 for a full bottle, is one of the safest and most effective wheel cleaning bases available to you. It cuts through road grime, brake dust film, and light surface contamination without attacking your clear coat, without etching your alloy surface, and without leaving behind the chemical residue that acid-based cleaners deposit with every wash cycle. A 2020 independent detailing study cited by professional detailers on the AMO NYC and Forensic Detailing YouTube channels confirmed that pH-neutral formulas produced comparable cleaning results to commercial wheel cleaners on moderately contaminated wheels while preserving finish integrity across a toriad. Mix 2 tablespoons into a bucket of warm water, apply with a dedicated soft bristle wheel brush, and you are cleaning your rims with the same fundamental chemistry that professional concours prep teams use on 6-figure show cars. You have been spending $50 to $100 a year on bottled chemical regret when the $2 answer was already under your sink. This is not a hack. This is what the detailing industry does not want your wallet to know. Number 3 is the protection step, and this is where dish soap alone becomes a life-extending system for your rims through one additional $2 upgrade. After you clean your wheels with your pH-neutral solution and rinse with cool water, applying a thin coat of standard carnauba wax or a ceramic-infused spray detailer to your wheel surface creates a sacrificial barrier that brake dust and road salt bond to instead of your actual finish. A single bottle of spray detailer costs between $2 and $5 at discount retailers and covers all 4 wheels multiple times over, meaning your total wheel protection system is running you under $10 for the entire year. Professional detailing studios charge between $150 and $300 for a wheel coating service that achieves the same protective outcome, and owner reviews on platforms like Yelp and Google across detail shops in major metros show satisfaction rates dropping significantly when customers realize the same results are achievable at home in 20 minutes. NetHTSA data shows vehicles with maintained wheel coatings demonstrate significantly lower corrosion complaint rates in the 2016 through 2022 dataset compared to vehicles with no recorded protective treatment. Your $2 system is now a full professional-grade defense for the cost of a coffee. Protect the finish, and the finish protects your resale. Number 2 is the resale value trap. And this is the one that costs car sellers thousands of dollars at the exact moment they can least afford to lose money. When you bring your vehicle to a dealership trade in or list it privately, wheel condition is one of the top 3 visual inspection points that buyers and appraisers use to estimate the overall care history of the vehicle. Consumer Reports resale value data consistently shows that vehicles with pitted, corroded, or refinished wheels receive trade in offers averaging $300 to $700 lower than comparable vehicles with clean original factory wheel finishes, and in private sale markets that gap widens to between $500 and $1,500 on popular models like the 2018 through 2022 Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, and Ford F-150. You are not just losing a cosmetic battle when you neglect your wheels, you are signing away $1,000 of your own money to the next buyer or to the dealership's reconditioning budget. Every single wash cycle where you used the wrong product, rinsed hot wheels, or skipped protection is a direct deposit into someone else's pocket at trade in time. Neglecting your wheels is not a small oversight, it is a $1,000 decision you make every time you reach for the wrong bottle. Number 1 is the seasonal salt trap, and this is the financial disaster that catches even careful car owners completely off guard. because the damage happens invisibly during the months you least think about wheel care. In states that use road salt from November through March, your wheels are being continuously bathed in a sodium chloride and calcium chloride solution that penetrates micro-fractures in your clear coat and begins corroding the aluminum substrate beneath the surface while the wheel still looks completely normal from 10 feet away. NHTSA corrosion complaint data from 2016 through 2023 shows disproportionately high wheel finish failure rates in northeastern and midwestern states with active winter road treatment programs, with owners of 2017 through 2021 Honda CR, Subaru Outback, and Jeep Grand Cherokee models submitting thousands of complaints describing wheel corrosion that developed entirely during winter months when regular washing dropped off. The average cost to replace all 4 factory alloy wheels on a mid-size SUV with OEM spec aftermarket units runs between $1,600 and $2,800 once you include mounting, balancing, and TPMS sensor transfer fees. Your $2 pH neutral wash applied every 2 weeks through winter, followed immediately by your spray wax barrier, interrupts this corrosion cycle completely and preserves every dollar of that wheel value. Salt does not care how new your car is. It just cares that you are not paying attention. You just learned that the $2 solution sitting under your kitchen sink is more effective, less damaging, and more financially intelligent than anything the auto care industry has been charging you premium prices to use. You learned why thermal shock, acid cleaners, skip protection steps, and winter neglect are quietly draining your resale value and sending your wheel finish to an early grave. This channel exists to give you the kind of straight, talking, numbers-backed, real-world advice that saves you hundreds and sometimes thousands of dollars every single year. Drop a comment below and tell us where you are watching from. And then click on the video on your screen right now, because it covers the next biggest maintenance mistake that is costing car owners just like you far more than they ever expected.